Hello, beautiful kids. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine and learning all the rhymes with me. Are you learning the rhyme? You must learn. Welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And our today's rhyme is about terrific toes. You know what are toes? Let me show you. So, this is called toes, okay? This is called toes. We all have toes. Hannah, have you seen your toes? Come on, everyone, check your toes. Yes, everyone has toes. So our rhyme is about toes only. Let's start the rhyme. I have such terrific toes. I take them with me wherever I goes. So the girl is saying, I have such terrific toes, means nice toes, and I take them with me wherever I goes. मैं अपने साथ लेके जाती हूँ टोज को जहाँ भी मैं जाती हूँ, right? And they will go with us only because they are our body part. वो हमारे body part हैं, okay? I have such fantastic feet. No matter what, they still smell sweet. Now, what is feet? Feet is this whole portion, okay? This whole part is called feet. And everyone has feet, that is our body part, right? So the girl is saying, I have such fantastic feet. No matter what, they still smell sweet. And next is toes and feet, feet and toes. They're nothing as fine as those. Okay? So, you have to learn this rhyme with me and I will sing the rhyme one more time. Okay? So, you all have to sing with me. Let's start once again. I have such terrific toes. I take them with me wherever I go. I have such terrific feet. No matter what, they still smell sweet. Toes and feet, feet and toes. There's nothing else as fine as those. Okay? So, keep practicing this rhyme. I'm sure that you will learn this smoothly. But don't forget that this is our body part. This is called toes and this whole part is called feet. Okay? Don't forget that. Now I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning, everyone.